Hi everyone, welcome back. So if you're looking for a free plugin for music production that can add saturation, transient shaping, dynamic density, and creative distortion, then this video is for you. The plugin we'll be checking out today is by Moonwave and it is called Aries. This is a plugin that usually costs $40, but Moonwave offered it for 100% free just for a limited time. So if you're interested to have it, stick around so that you don't miss out on how to get this plugin for free. Now, as you can see on the screen, that is the UI of Aries by Moonwave. It is simple, it is calm, with some interesting features. Now, over to this section, you'll see ignition, followed by pressure, followed by detonate and afterburn. Right above here, you'll see some factory presets it came with, which means you can use this plugin for bass, for drums and guitars. So we'll be kicking it off with the drum presets to hear it in action. So this is without it. Alright, I believe you had that. Now, with this knob you introduce heat, you introduce tone. Let me turn off this one so that we can hear the impact individually, and increase the mix knob so that we can clearly hear the full impact. So you see, this introduced a little bit of bass, and this clips it, and this makes it brighter and darker. Alright, so let's see what pressure adds. So let me turn off this. Alright, this introduced weight, so let's check out the punch. Alright, this particular one says tighten. I believe it's supposed to tighten the loop, but I can barely hear that. Maybe he's applying it in a subtle manner. Now let's check the dance. So you can see just by introducing these two, the ignition and the pressure, you can feel the impact. Alright, let's check the Detonate and see what that adds. Interesting, it brightened it up, cleared out the mud. I really love what this is adding to the drum loop. Now finally, let's check the Afterburn. Alright, from what I heard, is introducing that analog kind of color, the noise, lo-fi kind of texture to it. So now let me bring all of it together with a little bit balancing to see the results. Okay guys, you had it yourself. It is a multi-effect plugin that can come in handy when you are either sound designing or producing your track, situations where you want to introduce some sort of saturation, color, textures, and things like that. This is a tool you can actually use to achieve that. But don't take it for what I'm saying. The link will be in the description. Try it out and let us know what you think about it. If it is something you can keep, or if it is one of those plugins you just pass. Now, to get this plugin for free, all you need to do is to go through the link in the description. It will bring you here. Then on this page you can see the value is $40, but right now it is $0. Add it to cart. Once you add it to cart, if you don't have an account already with them, sign up for an account, then add it to cart. After checking out, you will receive an email from them where they will give you your serial number and this link. So click on this link and follow the guide. Then after that, you download the plugin, install it, head over to your DAW. In my case, I'm using FL Studio. You scan for newly installed plugins, launch it, and then input your serial. And that is it. So this is how to get this plugin for free. And remember, it is just for a limited time, alright? And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you found it helpful, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't, and most importantly, turn on your bell notification so that when next I find plugins like this, I review them, you get notified. If you want to check out other plugins I've covered on this channel, the video on the screen is a playlist. Go there, who knows, you might find something you need at the moment. And I will see you there. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and bye for now.